Hello, this is Bob. Today, Lolo Bal is going to sing a song for all the Apo in the Philippines. So here he is. The title of the song is
My Prayer.
My Prayer by Lolo Bal. Okay, take it away.
My prayer is to linger with you
Lakas.
by the end of the day, and you go close to mine. My prayer and the answer you give, well, it all be there.
Look.
For as long as you live, that you'll always be there at the end of my prayer. Tapos na! Salamat po!